So, good morning, children. Today we are going to study the chapter The Midnight Visitor. And this is the chapter from Your Footprints Without Feet, and it is written by Robert Arthur. And before starting the chapter, let me give you the introduction. The midnight visitor refers to a visitor, means an uninvited guest who comes at midnight, and you all know what does the midnight means. Midnight means at 12, and there are three main characters: the Ossible, who is a secret agent, and the second character is your Fowler, who is a writer and who comes to meet Ossible at his hotel. And the midnight visitor is Max, who is a secret agent who sneaked at Ossible's hotel room to take some secret documents which Ossible is expecting to receive. So first of all, I will set a background of the story by telling you a brief summary of the story, and then I'll explain you the chapter in detail. So the story is about a secret agent named Ossible, right? And he was with a writer named Fowler in his room. Throughout the evening, as Fowler was interested in spending time with a secret agent, but when he spends time, he finds that Ossible is not exactly the same he was expecting a secret agent to be. He was opposite of what he had imagined, and that he was bored. So Ossible then told Fowler that he had been thinking wrong, and soon he would be receiving a report about Russia's new missile who would change the country's future. And then Ossible takes Fowler to his room. When they entered the room, there was a boy named Max standing in the room. He entered the room. He asked them to be comfortable until the reports about missiles arrived in 30 minutes. As he was there to steal the reports, this was the first adventure out of many that Fowler had expected when he had thought of meeting a secret agent. So Ossible knew something dangerous going to be happen. So he told Max that it is the second time someone has broken. He started making up story that someone broken into my room through the window because of the balcony that's there. So Max believed what Ossible said to him. And while this talk was going on, a sudden knock was heard at the door. Ossible said that it must be the police, as he wanted them to check on after some time because he was going to receive such important paper. And this time Max also again believed Ossible once again, and Max, pointing his gun towards them, said that he would be waiting in the balcony and that Ossible should send away the police, otherwise he would shoot them and even take the risk of being caught by the police. As the doorknob is turned, Max jumps out of the window and a loud scream is heard. The door opens and you can see a waiter comes in and says that he has brought the wine that Mr. Ossible had ordered. He keeps the bottle, tray and glasses on the table and leaves. So at this point, look at the Fowler. What kind of situation Fowler has? He is surprised. He is surprised and asking him about the police, to which Ossible replied that there was no police. Then Fowler asked, "What about the person who was waiting in the balcony outside the window?" To which Ossible replied that the person would not return and there was no balcony there. This shows that quick wit of Ossible, as he took advantage of the situation and made Max nervous, and due to which he jumped out of the window without thinking and looking down, and he had jumped from the top floor of the hotel and would have possibly died. So this is how Ossible outwitted Max and saved himself from a very dangerous